Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency President Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia, Excellencies, heads of states and governments and delegations, it's a great honor for me to be here and share the Somalis' views and positions in this important summit of African climate. Somalia has been a victim for the climate change for a long time and has been very busy for building institutions that cover most of its resilience, and importance of the climate excellence. On behalf of the Federal Republic of Somalia, I extend our deep gratitude to the government and the people of Ethiopia and to the African Union Commission for hosting the second Africa Climate Summit in this great city, Addis Ababa. We gather under a vital, timely theme, accelerating global climate solutions, financing for Africa's resilience and green development. Somalia stands in full alignment with this vision, prioritizing Africa-led solutions and mobilization of accessible and affordable climate finance at scale.